So 2011, the World Cup that you mentioned, you guys played brilliantly. In fact, I think sitting in Wankhede Stadium myself, I remember you had made 240 something and it looked like a really good score.
280.
280, sorry, and it looked like a really good score, and everybody thought even in Sri Lanka that you would win. And I do remember that when you lost, there was a lot of rumors in Sri Lanka saying that it was lost due to instructions. That instructions came that Sri Lanka should lose. Obviously, that's not true, right? I mean, you lost because
No, 2011 World Cup we were the second best side. India was the first best side, if you take the tournament. But we had the opportunity to win in the final because two things happened. I got injured in the semi-finals. I tore my groin, and Angelo Matthews completely injured. He couldn't play. So there's a big miss. Angelo was performing well. Myself I was the highest wicket taker. And then we beat people with the spin. And then batting wise, Sangha, Dilshan and Upul Taranga was batting and Mayala also batting. All batting was clicked, but the middle order didn't click.
Yes.
So we had a gap, but Angelo was doing in the middle order, so he vanished.
Yes.
So it had a lot of changes has to be done. So the selectors made the changes and put rather than a regular team, another team came and played. 3-4 changes, it happened. See, in my mind, because at the time, because of there were not enough batting strength, people were scared to chase. Even the senior batters, even the selectors thought, we'll bat first and put us ready. But in my mind, I told them also this is my view. My view was bat second, not bat first, because we played a game before against New Zealand. We lost the toss and New Zealand put us in. We batted, I think we won over it. 280 we scored. Only match in Wankhede, that whole tournament, we only have to play against New Zealand.
Yeah.
We played 280 or we got scored. Fortunately, I think I took 4 or 5 wickets in the match. Before 20 or so over, they were 7 down.
Wow, okay.
About 60 odd. But still to get the other 3 wickets, they scored about 120 runs because dew came. Ball got soaking wet, but she won. So I reminded them,
that this
it was soaking wet. Whatever we score, even 300, India will score back, because previously I didn't tour to India, and whoever chased won, right?
Yes.
Because of dew factor.
Yes.
Because even 320 chased, right? The bowlers were bowling, struggling with the ball. Then I said, it could happen, but Sangha said at the time, match referee has promised, they're going to spray something, dew won't come.
But the dew came.
15 overs, ball was soaking wet. First 2 wickets we got Sehwag, and then even Malinga couldn't do anything when ball is wet. We were bowling, it's not spinning, it's going but we don't take any credit of India. India played really well, they are the best team. But we had an opportunity if we'd have bat second.
Yes.
So I think it's a miscalculation by our team rather than not match fixing or our miscalculation.
Interesting. That's a very, very good clarification, and I'm sure it will be very useful for many people who think that actually there were some instructions given for Sri Lanka to lose the match.
It's all about people got injured.
Yes.
Then we have to tame that the selectors took the decision. We all felt right decision at the time because Angelo couldn't play.
Yeah.
Then the decision to lost also because Angelo was not there. They wanted to bat. They were scared to bat because batting strength is less to chase. So I said, even though we can chase, because of when the ball it's like it's playing in a cement.
Yeah.
It's easy to play.